Canada prioritized healthcare talent again. Insights from the latest Express Entry draw of December 2025. If you're a healthcare professional hoping to immigrate to Canada, the latest Express Entry round on 11th December just delivered some very promising news. In one of the busiest months of the year, IRCC has once again turned its attention to candidates working in healthcare and social services, and the numbers confirm a major push towards strengthening Canada's essential workforce. Canada's big healthcare selection. Canada has issued 1,000 invitations to apply through its newest category-based Express Entry draw on 11th December. This round exclusively targeted applicants with experience in healthcare and social support occupations, continuing a trend we've seen throughout 2025. To be eligible, candidates needed a minimum CRS score of 476 and an Express Entry profile submitted before 7:44 a.m. UTC on 26 November 2025. This selection directly supports the country's growing demand for nurses, physicians, allied health professionals, community service workers, rehabilitation specialists, and a wide range of social services roles. December's rapid draw momentum. And this wasn't just another routine draw. December has become one of the most active months of the entire year. This healthcare draw follows a massive CEC round on 10th December that issued 6,000 invitations, and a major PNP-specific draw on 8th December with 1,123 candidates selected. Combine that with the large French-language draw on 28th November, and Canada is clearly accelerating its end-of-year immigration pace. Full-year Express Entry snapshot. To give you a full picture, here is the complete breakdown of all Express Entry draws issued in 2025. These include PNP-only rounds, CEC rounds, French-language streams, healthcare selections, and targeted occupation draws across education and trades. The data reveals one clear takeaway. Canada is leaning heavily on category-based systems rather than general draws, ensuring the talent coming in fills high-priority labor gaps. 2025 ITA's shift strategy. So where does the year stand? With this latest healthcare draw, the total number of ITAs issued in 2025 reaches 106,599. The largest share continues to go to French-language candidates at 42,000 invitations, followed by 30,850 under the Canadian Experience class, and 13,500 in healthcare and social services. This is a strong signal that Canada's long-term immigration strategy is shifting toward precision-based worker selection rather than broad CRS competitions. Healthcare needs driving 2026. The dominance of healthcare Express Entry draws this year also tells us something important. Canada is continuing to experience shortages across hospitals, long-term care facilities, community service programs, and public health infrastructures. And as the country heads into 2026, category-based Express Entry rounds are expected to remain central to meeting those urgent needs. Conclusion. If you're a healthcare professional or someone working in social services, this could be the best time to prepare your profile, update your documents, and position yourself for upcoming draws. Canada's focus on essential workers is showing no signs of slowing down. For more updates on Express Entry, immigration changes, and detailed breakdowns of every draw, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.